Hi, this is Yoshi. Good morning. Okay, this is the Cessna that you are going to make today. First, use the rectangle shaped paper. All the airplanes are rectangle shaped paper. Then start from the back side of the paper and fold at the center. An accurate position of center line is very important. Unfold the paper and make a triangle. Fold a triangle. And do the same for the both sides. Now the next is to fold the colored side. And when you do this, leave some space to the bottom end. And the important thing is the top of the triangle must be on the center line. The next is fold another triangle for the colored side and make sure that side of triangle is on the center line. And of course do the same for the other side as well. Now this is what you have right now. The next is to fold the small triangle in the center towards the top, and tip of small triangle must be on the center line. This looks like called navel button. So some people call this airplane as a navel button airplane. Fold at the center and make sure the overlap area will be pressed firmly. This is getting very thick. Okay, now it's a wing, and the side of the wing line should be aligned to the bottom of plane. So this is it, okay? Caution, when you fly this plane, make sure not to point other people. This is an eye protection reason. Okay, this is supplement video for Cessna, Lecture 7. I will only talk about the key things. Okay, important thing here is the center line should be exact on the center line. Exactly on the center. Now, fold the small triangle, and the side of the triangle should be on the center line. Same for the other side. Fold and leave some space between the tip of the triangle and the bottom of the paper. Fold triangle for the colored side. Now this area is getting thick. So when you do this, press firmly. The next is the navel button. And then fold at the center. This side of wing line should be at the bottom of the airplane. Okay, this is it. Lecture 7, Cessna is done. The next is Swallow Glider for Lecture 8. Enjoy origami and see you soon.